Okay, we're going to continue with this and go to chapter 3. So we're going to cover in more details how to make graphs in R. So here, we are familiar with this part here. And this you saw in Code School, but it may not be clear what it is really. And we used this before. And here's just one extra piece. So what this does first is there's a database called mtcars, and when we do the attach, then we don't have to say what we mean by WT. It means the column in mtcars that is called WT, so it knows where to look for it when you do attach. And the same thing with this. And then we use this function abline to create a line, and specifically we're creating a line. This means linear model, which means a regression model, which we haven't talked about, but we did see it in Code School. And what it means is we're making a line. Let's look at this data first, and then we'll see what it means. So this is the data, WT versus MPG. So I think this is, what is this, weight versus MPG. So and remember MPG means mileage. So as the weight increases, the MPG decreases. And what that linear regression will do is try to find a line here that fits these dots. So, and then we're just using AB line to put that line in here. So let's try that. So we get the line using AB line, and this tells it what line to use. Usually we have to tell it what the slope and the intercept are. That's the way we've used AB line basically in the past. But this is another way you can put something into AB line, which will cause it to plot a line like this. Okay, and then we can also add a title simply by using the title function, and we give it this title, and then we detach cars. So now if I try to run one like this again, it's going to give me an error because it doesn't know what WT is, because first you have to attach mtcars for it to know. Whoops, it did know. Whoops, I'm sorry, I thought I detached it, but I hadn't detached it. So first, I thought I did that, but okay, now I believe that if you do this, it won't like it. Okay? Okay, now we can create a PDF of this graph, and the way you do that is you do this, and then everything you do after that is going to go into the PDF, and then this says, okay, now I'm finished, now print the PDF. So we can make a PDF, so let's try that. So same stuff here inside, but we have PDF, the name that we want, and dev.off after we have everything in the PDF that we want, we say, okay, don't put what is it? So you might type stuff later after this and it won't go into the PDF. Okay, and then it does that. I'm not sure what the Windows 2 means. I think it might mean that we have two windows open. Yeah. Or no, I'm not sure what it means. But anyway, now if I look, I'll have a PDF. And here it is. Okay, this is a PDF file which was saved into your working workspace directory. And he also says that if you don't want to do it as a PDF, you can do it like as a JPEG or PNG by using JPEG or PNG here, or some of these other formats as well.